Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up collecting rent with AppFolio, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the AppFolio website. Log into your AppFolio account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, look for Online Payments and click on it. Enable online payments by toggling the switch to the on position. Fill in the required bank account information for direct deposits. Enter your business information, including your name and address. Ensure your payment processing preferences are set according to your needs. Decide if you want to cover transaction fees or pass them on to tenants. Upload any required documentation to verify your account. Review all entered information to ensure accuracy. Click the Save button to save your changes. Next, go back to the dashboard and select a property from your list. Navigate to the Tenants tab associated with that property. For each tenant, confirm their email addresses are correctly entered. Send out invitations for online rent payment to your tenants via email. Inform tenants about the new payment option and how to use it. Provide them with instructions for setting up their accounts. Instruct tenants to log into their own AppFolio accounts. Have them navigate to the Payments section once logged in. Remind tenants to set up their preferred payment method, such as bank transfer or credit card. Encourage them to schedule recurring payments if desired. Once tenants start making payments, monitor the transactions in your AppFolio dashboard. Check payment status regularly to ensure timely rent collection. Troubleshoot any issues that arise with payment processing. Review your payment reports to track income and late payments. Stay in communication with tenants regarding payment updates or changes to policies. Ensure all compliance and regulatory guidelines are followed during the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.